Hey everyone, Tracy here with Kokokahn Essential Oils. Want to do a quick recipe with you today on essential oils for days when you're feeling overwhelmed or moments when you're feeling overwhelmed. I know life in general can make all of us feel overwhelmed from time to time. So we're going to use 3 essential oils: sweet basil, lime, and bergamot for our roll-on for moments when we're feeling overwhelmed, to help calm and balance out that stressed feeling. And then we're going to use our cold pressed organic jojoba oil as a base, or our carrier oil, so that it's safe to put it on our skin. So we're going to start with our container, our roll-on bottle. There's 3 parts to a roll-on bottle. There's your top cap, your roll-on insert, and this part you can just wiggle out of the bottle. And then you have your bottle itself. So first we're going to add 1 drop of sweet basil essential oil, not holy basil, but sweet basil. It's a different type of basil. 1 drop of basil, and then we're going to do 2 drops of bergamot essential oil. Next is 2 drops of lime essential oil. The bergamot and the lime give it a nice bright mood uplifting aroma too, which is a nice little bonus. And sometimes you can get a little bubble in your essential oil bottle, just blow them out. So 2 drops of lime, and that is all of our essential oils. Next we're going to add our cold pressed organic jojoba oil. And here at Kokokahn we carry a 1 ounce size. A 1 ounce size will fill 3 roll-on bottles, just FYI. Each roll-on bottle is a 0.3 ounce size. So, and to fill your roll-on bottle with your carrier, touch the bottle, the jojoba oil or carrier oil bottle, to the roll-on bottle. It gives you a better leverage so you can pour easier. And then just slowly fill it up. We're going to fill it up to the bottom of the neck of the roll-on bottle, so that, just like that. Don't go up into the neck, because then you usually causes your roll-on bottle to leak. And that is it. And then last but not least, we're going to pop in our roll-on cap. You can push it back down in there. You want to make sure that there's no gap between the cap and the bottle itself. And then to use it, you can roll it on your wrists, dab a little under your nose. I really like to do that because I like to be able to breathe in the essential oils, not just have them, go in through the skin, especially for emotional well-being and emotional support, like feelings of being overwhelmed or stressed. You really need that inhalation factor. So dab under the nose, roll on the wrist, roll on the side of the neck, and away you go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will look forward to seeing you with another essential oil video next time. In the meantime, check out our website on kokokahn essentialoils.com for any of your essential oil needs. Thank you.